Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful and easy butterfly. You will need a ruler, a pencil, an eraser, a scissor, a glue, a stapler, a toothpick, 2 round-shaped caps, and 3 pieces of sheets of paper with different colors. Let's start by choosing one of the colors and taking the largest round shape. Then, draw a circle using your pencil. And then, cut it. Take another sheet of paper and make a smaller circle using the shape of a different cap. And then cut it. Take a ruler and draw a 10 centimeters long strip of paper. Now, fold your largest circle in half twice. After that, fold your smaller circle in half twice. Open one half of each circle and place one half over the other. Take your stapler and staple it right at the end of the middle line. Gently spread the wings of your butterfly. It's almost done! Now take a strip of paper and fold it in half. Take a toothpick and curl the tips of your butterfly's antennae. And finally, glue the antennae to the butterfly. And your paper butterfly is ready! I hope you enjoy it! See you!